Alright everybody, this is your girl Ayana Alicia and welcome back to my channel. On this channel we do like to talk all things locks, lifestyle, family, and mental health. So if that is something that interests you guys, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Leave me a little comment below and make sure you like the video and share, of course. So today I got a different little video for you guys. If you have not already watched my previous video where I talked about, I believe I had purchased some glasses from Goggles For You. I believe that's the name of the company. I will leave that in the iCard here, wherever it is located, for you guys to go check them out. If you have not watched that video, that was, I done that a couple of years ago. But I had a company reach out to me wanting me to try their glasses because y'all know I'm blind. Not blind literally, but I can't see like I used to. So I do like to from time to time switch up my glasses that I do wear. If I have to wear glasses, I definitely want to look stylish when I'm wearing them. So I did have a company reach out to me in the name of Viskle. Can you guys see it? I'm trying to look at my viewfinder thing to see it. It's called Viskle. They reached out to me. I had never heard of this company before, and they wanted me to try out their glasses. And so I'm just going to give you guys a quick review of them. So the glasses that I did order are the ones that I currently have on now. They are very lightweight. Very lightweight. They're a little dirty, so I don't want to hold them up to the camera, but they're very lightweight. They do have the little Blu-ray thingies in there. This is, I don't know if you guys can see the design. I'm trying to look at my viewfinder thing so you guys can see. But it has like a little, not really cheetah, but it's like a brown black mixture color thing with the little gold accents right there. No little wire thing because I don't really like little wire things in my thing. But they did put my prescription in there. And overall, I will give this company a 10 out of 10 as far as how the glasses go. They are very lightweight. They are very clear. I can definitely see out of them, especially at nighttime, which is when my eyes give me the most trouble because of the glare from the other cars' lights and stuff. It be leaving me a glare on my eyes even when I wear my glasses. But with these, they definitely, you can definitely tell the difference. I mean, of course, because I have astigmatism in my eye, I still see like the little glares at nighttime, but not as much with these glasses because of the protective layer that I did get put over there. So like I said, they do have it where you can put your prescription in there, which I did. Right now, they do offer free shipping on all orders over $69. They have eyeglasses, sunglasses, readers, blue lights, and progressive lenses. They also have glasses available for men, women, and children. And like I said, you can add your prescription to your glasses order. And since I am partnering with them right now, if you guys go in and make a purchase, all you have to do is use the code LOVER in order to get 20% off of your entire order. And that 20% goes a long way, because if you go look at the website, you will see that the glasses are already fairly inexpensive for the frames themselves. And then even adding in your prescription is still not as expensive as it would be if you were to order your glasses from the eye doctor, which I don't even order my glasses from the eye doctor no more. I normally do some type of online shopping with my glasses, such as From You, Goggles For You, and now I have another one, Viskle, that I'm adding to my list of glasses that I like. So yeah, you guys definitely should try them out. Like I said, their website is www.viskle.com. If you use the code LOVER, that's LOVER, at checkout, you will receive 20% off of your entire order. So make sure you guys go order your glasses today, and I'll see you next time on the next video. Peace and many blessings. Bye.